All right, so today I'm going to paint this bumper. I'm gonna have to sand it down and paint it. I used to have a plate number here, I took it off. And then when this guy came and hit me, he reversed me with his car. I tried to cover it up with the plate number. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna paint this black to hide this for the time being. Likewise here. And I've been looking at it, so it looks good. And then I gotta sand this down and paint it. And I'm gonna paint these two as well, just so they won't look so ugly. And let's get to it. So my GoPro died. What I did was I wrapped it up with paper, some a little more tape on there, and then I'm gonna start using, this is mostly just black gloss paint. So let's give it a shot. Light coats, you know what I mean? All right, let's give it a wait. I just did the other side as well. Wrapped it up with some paper. Now it's time to spray. All right, let's get back to this. Spray another coat. Nice. It's starting to come together. You know, I think it's gonna look good. Not bad. Now, once I put this in, it's not gonna show anything. So at least I got that until I can find a bumper, because these are hard to find. So I figured, might as well just wrap the whole entire bumper at the same time, just so I can get these as well. They look hella ugly. So I'm about to paint them black. They'll still look ugly, but they won't be as ugly as they would be. So let's get it. So second day, sanded down. It's pretty smooth. Now we just gotta start off with primer paint, spray it on, give it a few minutes to dry, spray another layer, spray the paint, and we go from there. So I just finished the first coat. Well, fourth coat really off the first base. I don't think I can get rid of the shape. I tried sanding it down, but it didn't work. But it's decent so far. So after 4 coats of the white base, as you can see, all the black went away. Now we're gonna spray some of the pearl effect additive. That's what it says, and I think that's what it is. I tried spraying it on there. It gives it a little like little star feeling. Why dirty like that? Damn, this area is gonna be clean, not dirty. It is what it is. Yeah, and then once that's done, clear coat, and let's go. And finally, instant clear coat. Spray that clear coat so you can get that shine. That's just dirty. You gotta wash it. But yes, you see, it doesn't look like anything from far. Once you come a little closer, then you see those blemishes. Not the best, but it is. It's better than, it's the only DIY job I could do at home. Instead of paying like $600 to get the thing fixed. And this right here is hidden, as you can tell. Yes, and that's it. What else I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna paint just this bottom portion black of this spoiler. Just because I really like the way my spoiler looks from here, and I don't wanna kinda cut it off. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna spray paint the bottom part black. So I'm gonna have to cut it to half, cover this up, the camera, and then spray paint it black. Let's hope it's gonna look good. So now that's done, taping it up. Make sure you tape the camera, the brake light. It's all taped up and nice. Now I gotta add some newspaper, and then we'll go from there. So newspaper in 3, 2, and it's all newspapered up. Now it's time to get to the spray. First coat in, gotta wait for it to dry. The second coat, waited until it dried out. Pretty dry, you can tell. Car is dirty still. The weather isn't that great for me to wash the car, but just about to peel out the top part of the tape and the bottom part, and then we'll see the final result. And there's that. That is done. Just that bottom half black and the top is white. That way, from here, looks pretty good. And then you go down here, looks pretty good too. So yeah.